Okay, hello YouTube. I don't normally post, but I happened to pull out the garbage disposal in my kitchen sink. We had something fall into it, wanted to make sure it didn't break or anything. This is the brand Incinerator Badger. Just a little more info on it. Just I don't know really what much this means. Anyway, we had a bolt fall in. Thought something was broken. I was like, "What the heck?" I'll pull it out and take a look. So I've taken it all apart. And normally, how these sit is you'll have this piece. This is where your for us this top PCV, I guess valve. I suppose I don't know better way to explain it. Goes. This connects to the dishwasher, so the water from the dishwasher will shoot through here down the garbage disposal to the main drain, and then this one here actually connects the garbage disposal and the other side of the sink as well down to the main drain. And how that goes on, it just sits on here. It has 4 of these bolts. The heads are 5 millimeters. Each one goes into a very little tiny hole. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. Yeah, 4 bolts. Each one goes in there, into there. You line them up, screw them down. They weren't on there very tight, so do not over torque them. And then your little rubber gasket mouth thing to make sure it didn't come flying back up on top of you sits right on top of there. Then your metal, let's call it a gasket too, metal gasket will sit on there just like so. Actually, it'll sit on there upside down like this. And when this is all connected, this whole contraption, you just stick up into your sink and you'll rotate it, and these little, goodness gracious, these little metal tabs you see here, mine are rusted out. It's really old. These right there, right here, and right here, all 3 connect up to another bracket that's under the sink, and you just twist on and twist off. So this physically, the entire garbage disposal, you don't have to untwist from here. This was just sitting on top just like so. Again, pretend this is in there. I'm just taking it off for demonstration. This sits in there just about like that. And then I'm going to try to take that out. You pick up the whole disposal. This is under your sink, of course. And up, twist right till you can't twist it anymore, which should only be like little over a half a turn. And it locks on just like that. For ours, I had to twist it from about, let's see, it originally sat like this, so it could connect to the pipes. I had to twist it 75 degrees to have this one pop off. And then, that's how you take it off. You do the same thing to put it back on. You make sure all your pipes connect. While I had mine apart, I did go ahead and clean it. As a lot of you may know, maintenance is really important in order to keep things from breaking all the time and theoretically helping them last longer. So I took mine apart. I went ahead and cleaned under here, here with a little, spinning metal things you don't want to get your fingers stuck on. Spin and eat up the food. I did go ahead and clean out the cover as well. Got all the metal teeth in here cleaned out, good to go. This hole nice and clean. That one. It's just over time, food and water and grime and all the hard calcium deposits in the water start to build up, and those kind of things can, put a toll on these really weak motors that that they're not the most expensive part or appliance you'd have to replace, but if there's something you can do to save yourself a couple $100 every now and then, why not do it? So yeah, it was really easy. Again, screw this off the sink. That comes off with your rubber gasket, and then this pops off. It's just 2 clamps. I stuck a flathead in them and popped them off. Super easy. It came off. remove this to clean it. I just did some soapy water and a sponge. It worked fine. And then this, I went ahead and just same thing, washed it off. I got down under here where the motor connects to the plate, and I cleaned that up a little bit. Not fantastic, because, you know, it's just going to get dirty again, but I just made sure there wasn't any large chunk of debris or food or anything that would cause potential problems later down the road. So I thought I'd make a short, brief video on me doing this, since I had it all apart, and hopefully it can help other people who are looking to save themselves some pocket change on something like this. Pretty straightforward, not anything too hard. If there's anything that was unclear that I can help answer, do please leave a comment down below. Appreciate it. Thank you. Y'all have a good one.